Welcome to Talk It Do It, the channel where we take tech to more than hello world. Great to have you here. In today's quick video, we shall be deploying an MCP server to Cloudflare that you can run for free. I am showing a guide from Cloudflare that gives you an example you can create and how to set this up. This is a great guide, and I will leave the link in the description. I will show you how I deploy one of my own MCP servers, which is for the SWI blockchain, and how we can talk to it by using Claude Desktop remote MCP server integrations. If you want a video on adding the authentication flow, please leave a comment and I shall make that available. The important part of the guide is to make sure you have Wrangler, the CLI tool, as this really simplifies how we deploy our server to Cloudflare as a worker node. Here I am using Wrangler to authenticate to my Cloudflare account. Just select Allow in the web page that opens, and we are authenticated. Great. Here is a quick look at my wrangler.jsonc file. You can set the name of the MCP server in this file and a bunch of other settings. Yours will look different to mine, but there are some good links and guides to help you set yours correctly. Let me show you how to create a KV namespace in Cloudflare using the CLI. You can now copy and paste the binding value and ID value from the output into the file. Simple as that. Now for the best part. Deploying this is incredibly simple. All we had to do was run one command in the terminal, npx wrangler deploy. You can see the deployed URL and worker name that was created. Also, you can see environment variables. Let's now see the created worker in the Cloudflare dashboard. Select your worker name, and you get access to a range of data about your worker. You can see all your deployments, including version history. Any bindings that have been set can be seen here too. Really useful for those who like a visual option and great for documentation. Logs are empty, but when we use Claude to talk to our MCP server, I will show you some logs and the metadata it provides. Now let's add the MCP server to our Claude Desktop. Depending on what plan you have, you may not yet be able to set custom integrations the way I am showing here. But you can still add to Claude. Just follow the Cloudflare guide. Make sure to add the /SSE. Let's test this out. I'm going to ask Claude a direct question that requires it to use our new tool. It can see the tools. This is great. Looks very promising. Now let's ask Claude what my balance is on the SWI blockchain for my test account. It is asking to use the tool called SWI balance. Select Allow always. Now, as expected, it is showing my balance as 0. I need to ask it to use the DevNet network for this particular test account. This is easy to do. Remember earlier I mentioned the empty logs? Let me show you the logs now we have made some calls to the endpoints. We can see various bits of metadata and also timestamps. This is a very handy feature to have and would allow us to start building some really good observability strategies for our MCP server. We could also look at alerts, tracing, and a number of other things to really make this an enterprise solution. This is the end of this really quick video showing how simple it is to deploy your MCP server to Cloudflare. And the best part, this is free. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you would like to see me adding authentication, just leave a comment and I would be more than happy to show you that. As always, thank you so much for your time today. I really do appreciate it. Please leave any comments on things you would like to see or how I can improve my videos. Have a lovely day.